Okay guys, Simon here, and quick update for you guys. Okay, recording this on May the 16th, 2019, and again, CloudToken. Wow, if you're not in this, guys, you're missing out big time. I've only been in it a couple of weeks. Yesterday we had an increase of over 5,000 tokens coming to our wallet. The token price is just 34 cents at the moment, 34.50. You can see that. So basically, you can see here, this is the super wallet, just a little bit of a tutorial and show you what we're doing here. To load into this, you just click on BTC, okay? And these are the transactions. So I put 20 Bitcoin in my account, so it's worth about 160,000-ish now. And they're trading that, and I'm getting a return of approximately 0.3% per day. Okay, so literally, that's pretty staggering when you think about that. Okay, so this is deposit address. This is my deposit address here. Okay, so you would have your own address, and you send your Bitcoin to this address, your own address, obviously, when you're in the wallet. And then when it's in here, all you do is click on the top left, click on projects, and then this is the JARVIS AI, okay, artificial intelligence software. And you can see there, I got 20 Bitcoin in there. It's worth today's price of Bitcoin, $159,919. Okay, our team members, business partners have got over 40 Bitcoin in their account, and you know, people are joining with all different kinds of amounts. Quickly show you the levels. This is the performance. We hit C1. Okay, C1 we did in 10 days. C1 there, and it gives you 5% overrides on all your team members. So again, you can see all different amounts that people are joining with here. So you can see some guys just dipped and toe in the water and moved a little bit over, like $55, and for me, this is basically the most transparent company. $7.90 there. Someone put in there 11,910 there. This is the most transparent company I've ever been involved with in 26 years. Okay, they've just had an event in Thailand. Literally, that was a sellout. 100,000 members. They're bringing out a card payment, so you can cash out your cloud tokens on your card and go and spend it in the shops. So you can see there, members 35,000 in that account, 4,003, 292, etc. 7, 8,000, 10,000, 32,858. Group volume there, 302,000. So again, we're going to the next level, and this is the updates that they have in here. You can click on any of this. It's absolutely a phenomenal business, guys. So if you're out there on the internet, you're looking at this business, don't look, just get involved. Okay, it's so easy. Every single person makes money just moving your Bitcoin from your wallet that you have out there into this wallet, and then every day you'll make a profit. That's absolutely staggering. Outside of that, guys, have a phenomenal day. And again, if you want out there and you're not involved in CloudToken, you've got questions, then just message me, comment info below. I'll get that information to you. And if you're in, take massive action and get the word out there. God bless you.